Have you been dreaming of a spa at home after a long day? Imagine warm steam carrying a soft, calming scent that helps your shoulders drop and your mind finally slow down. You can create that experience yourself with tiny DIY aromatherapy shower discs. Simple, natural, and ready whenever you are. Welcome back to SoulShower Studio. This is your gentle corner of YouTube for practical mindfulness that supports busy women and moms. Today, we're making DIY aromatherapy shower discs, sometimes called shower steamers. Think of them as bath bombs for people who don't have time for baths. They fizz gently on your shower floor and release beautiful scents into the steam. I'll show you why they work so well, exactly how to make them, how to use them for the biggest impact, and my favorite scent blends for calm, energy, sleep, and congestion relief. Stay until the end, because those custom blends are where the magic really happens. Let's start with why aromatherapy in the shower is so powerful. Warm steam opens your nasal passages and helps scent molecules travel quickly. Your brain processes smell through areas linked to emotion and memory, which is why one breath can shift your mood almost instantly. And unlike a bath, a shower is something you're already doing. No extra time required. It's self-care that fits into real life. Does this sound like a dream? Now let's gather what you need. The ingredients are simple and affordable. You'll need baking soda as the base. Citric acid creates that gentle fizz. Cornstarch helps the discs hold together. For liquid, plain water works, but witch hazel is even better because it evaporates faster and reduces early fizzing. A small spray bottle makes this step much easier. I love using a fine mist glass spray bottle because it gives you more control. For scent, choose good quality essential oils. You don't need anything fancy, just pure oils from a reputable brand like Plant Therapy. A basic starter set with lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and sweet orange will cover almost every blend we talk about today. You'll also need a mixing bowl, a spoon, and silicone molds, or even a simple ice cube tray. Silicone molds release the discs much more easily, so they're worth it if you plan to make these regularly. I'll include my favorite options in the description box. Now for the fun part, making shower discs. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and half a cup of cornstarch. Stir well so everything is evenly combined. Add about 20 to 30 drops of essential oil, depending on how strong you want the scent. Mix again until the fragrance is distributed. Next comes the step that makes or breaks your discs. Lightly spritz the mixture with water or witch hazel while stirring continuously. Go slowly. You're aiming for the texture of damp sand. It should hold together when squeezed but not feel wet. Too much liquid will start the fizzing reaction too early. Once the texture is right, press the mixture firmly into your molds. Pack it down tightly so the discs don't crumble later. Smooth the tops and leave them to dry for at least 12 to 24 hours. When they feel hard and dry, gently pop them out of the molds. And that's it. You've just made your own shower spa treatment. Using them is simple, but placement matters. Put 1 disc on the shower floor where it gets splashed but not blasted directly by the water stream. This allows it to dissolve slowly and release scent over several minutes. If you want a stronger aroma, move it slightly closer to the spray. For a softer effect, place it farther away. Try taking a few slow breaths while the scent rises with the steam. Let your exhale be longer than your inhale. This tiny pause turns an ordinary shower into a mindful reset. Now let's talk about customizing your discs for different needs. Number 1. Calm and stress relief. For calm and stress relief, lavender is the classic choice for a reason. Pair it with a little sweet orange for warmth and comfort. This blend is perfect for evening showers when your nervous system feels frayed. Number 2. Energy and morning boost. For a morning energy boost, citrus oils shine. Sweet orange, lemon, or grapefruit feel bright and uplifting. Add a touch of peppermint if you want an extra wake-up effect. It's like sunlight in scent form. Number 3. Sleep preparation. If you shower at night and want help winding down for sleep, try lavender with a hint of chamomile or cedarwood. The aroma feels soft, grounding, and cozy, almost like wrapping your mind in a warm blanket. Number 4. Congestion and cold relief. For congestion or cold relief, eucalyptus and peppermint are powerful allies. The steam helps carry those clearing vapors into your airways, making breathing feel easier. This blend is especially helpful during winter months or allergy season. Feel free to experiment and find what your body responds to best. Scent preference is deeply personal. You do you. Finally, a quick word on storage, shelf life, and safety. Once fully dry, store your discs in an airtight container away from moisture. A glass jar with a tight lid works beautifully and looks lovely on a bathroom shelf. Properly stored, they usually last several months. Essential oils are potent, so these discs are for scent only, not for direct skin contact. Keep them out of reach of children and pets. If you're pregnant or have health concerns, check with a professional before using strong oils. Before I go, I want to share one more idea. Instead of treating your shower as a rushed necessity, try seeing it as a daily reset button. As the warm water flows, imagine the stress of the day washing away. Let the scent anchor you in the present moment. Even 2 mindful minutes can change how you feel afterward. So if you've been waiting for permission to take care of yourself in small, doable ways, this is it. These little discs are simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. You don't need a spa day. You just need your next shower. If you found this helpful, give the video a gentle like so more people can discover it. Subscribe for more calm, practical tools for busy days. Let me know in the comments, which scent combination is your favorite? Thank you for spending this time with me today. Stay tuned for more from SoulShower Studio, where we continue to explore mindfulness, holistic well-being, and ways to nourish your soul, one drop at a time. See you next time.